Dude.
Let's go.
Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go.
Let's go.
I'm proud of you, T.
Go, baby. What a great freaking spot you set up.
Oh my god. Oh.
Looked like a good shot, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll have to look at the camera. I couldn't tell if it was focusing or not. But I got your shot on here.
Dude, that was a bad angle. For like, just a little bit.
Dude. We've been having hogs run around us for a while. Oh my god. Let's go.
Dude, my heart, my legs. And, like, I was ranging, you know? Like 20 right here, 23 at that other tree.
Yeah.
And she was walking on the back side of that at 25. So I was like, shit.
Dude, good job, T.
Dude,
that looked like a good shot. You stuck her good.
Her leg wasn't moving, you know? I think I stuck her pretty good. But I say we give it a little
Your
bit of
call
time.
has been forwarded to an automated voice
We'll
messaging system.
You know, because she went off that way.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do it. All right, hey, see y'all soon.
When those...
I got blood right here. Oh yeah, I got blood right here. I got blood right there. Will you stay right there? Let me move this marker.
Yeah, big footsteps.
Yeah.
You want to put that thing right there and we'll go mark that spot?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, that's good blood too.
Oh yeah, bunch of it. There we go. Hopefully she didn't run too far. We'll see.
See that arrow, baby.
All right, gentlemen, we are on the walk for TK's deer.
Some good blood right there.
Look at that. Golly. That is good blood. TK shot this deer with a bow. And we're on the hunt right now, looking if we can find a body.
I ain't worried about no tag.
All right, I got blood.
Hank, blood.
Blood.
Well, Hank, you're off. We found blood right here.
Ooh, yeah. Hell
Well, that's
yeah.
a hell yeah.
Daggone.
There she is.
Oh, look at her.
Look at that.
Golly.
Baby.
There she is.
What is my ear?
Yeah. Where's that air that came with her?
Hair. I shot her pretty up. Saw the freaking bugs. Yeah.